Hello and welcome back to Math Class with Mr. Kura. Today we're going to be finding the volume of a sphere. So first of all, a sphere is basically just a ball. Any ball, a more academic name for it is a sphere. It's a three-dimensional object shaped like a ball. Every point on the surface is the same distance from the center. So how do we find the volume of a sphere? This equation's a little bit different, not really related to the others as much. So this one's a little bit harder to remember. But our equation for the volume of a sphere is 4/3 times pi times r squared. So let's jump down to our problem down here. So first we need to find, let's write our equation. Volume equals 4/3 times pi times r cubed. So we'll go down and find our r. That's our only variable here. So r, remember, is to the center of the circle. So volume equals 4/3 times pi times 4 cubed is 64. Is 64. Oops, times 4/3 times pi times 64. So then, similar to how we did this last time, if you watched our previous video, let's simplify these numbers. So let's figure out what 4/3 times 64 is. So 4/3 times 64. So 4/3 times 64. Let's see, we're going to get a fraction here, but it's going to be 85 1/3 pi. So we can leave it in that form, or in this case, if we wanted to multiply this out as a decimal, we would have to turn this into a decimal. So let's write this as 85.33, or 85, let's just do 0.3, 85.3 times 3.14, multiply, and we get 12, 21, 34, add a 0 for that, we get 3, 5, 8. 1 times 3, 5, 8. And now we're multiplying by 300, so I need to put 2 zeros down here. 3 times 3, we get 9, 15, 25. Add these up, we get 2. Tweak that down a little bit. 4. 9 and 9 is 18. Here we get 11 and 5, 16, 17, 6. And then we have 1, 2, 3 decimals, so 3 decimals here. And our volume is equal to 267 and 0.842. And then we have inches cubed. So that's how we find the volume of a sphere. Just remember 4/3 times pi times r cubed. Thanks again for spending time in math class with Mr. Kura, and I look forward to talking to you again soon.